Nice and lovely. So welcome back in the kitchen. Today we want to do a nice, lovely family 30 minutes oven baked chicken. Serve with some potato or whatever you like to serve it with. Right here I have some chicken thighs, roughly probably about 8 pieces. I got 1 white onion and also some spring onion. First of all, I'm gonna cut up my onion very fine. I'm gonna marinate the chicken. Spring onion. All of this season gonna bring flavor to the chicken. But the best time to do this is do it from the day before. A little bit of coarse pepper. So I have some chicken seasoning I just poured from the bag, roughly about, it's not a lot, but probably about ½ teaspoon. Teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Paprika, I love my paprika. A large teaspoon. This one, yeah, ginger, garlic, and this is like some coarse pepper, pimento. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just put a pinch of it, not too much. Olive oil is a must. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you got garlic and thyme, if you like, you can put it on it. I didn't have any, but so that's such a, it's fine. Ketchup. Roughly about 3 tablespoons. This is some sweet chili sauce. Put a few tablespoons. Lovely. And make sure you got on the gloves. Get it marinated. But the best time to do this chicken, to be honest guys, is do it from the day before, alright? But this is just a 30 minutes recipe for the family that won't work very hard. And I'm using some chicken thigh, as you can see. Some of them not even have no bone in the chicken thigh. Alright, no salt, you see, as you can see. So we're gonna lay them out like this. I would say, yeah, preheat the oven first. The reason why I'm doing this 30 minutes recipe, say you come from work and tired, stressed out, and you got some chicken left in the fridge, you can do something very quickly. Nice one. So as you can see, and it's looking lovely and nice. But as I said before, the best time to do this one is from the day before. Nice one. So preheat your oven. That's one of the main things you want to do. When you preheat your oven, gas mark 7 or 8 is good, or if you use a different kind of oven, 165 or 175 is good for half an hour. 30 minutes inside of the oven, guys. So 30 minutes recipe, so you can do a lot of things in between that 30 minutes. Alright, enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. I just take the chicken from the oven, guys. As you can see, the chicken looking so lovely and nice. And as I said, it's a 30 minutes recipe for family at home. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Didn't take long, and we have a lot more recipe like this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna share it out and see the way it look on the plate. Enjoy the recipe, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. Nice and lovely. So I just finished share it out, and as you can see, the way it looking so lovely and nice, guys, on the plate with some uni potato and some broccoli. So it's a 30 minutes family recipe. Baked chicken at the oven and some potato and some broccoli at the side. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more like this for you guys. Thank you so much, and see you next time. And this is some Chef Ricardo and the team. And all of those seasons I use marinate my chicken, you can use your favorite season for your chicken. And enjoy it. See you next time. Bye bye.